Hey guys, it's Rachel and today we're going to be talking about House of Lashes again, and today I'm reviewing the Classic collection. Ironically, I'm not wearing any of the lashes today, but don't you worry, I have some clips of me wearing them and trying them on, so let me roll those first and then we'll get more into it. According to House of Lashes, their Classic collection features a variety of handcrafted, natural to glamorous styles of lashes, and they're good for day or night. So I will say that there is a good range of styles in this line. There are some very natural looking lashes, and there are more dramatic styles. So I definitely agree with that. All of the Classic styles are $9 a piece, which are cheaper than their Premium and LITE collection, and you can get them at a cheaper price if you buy them in bundles of 3. You can get them for $7.50. One pro I do have to say about these lashes is that the length of the band actually fits perfectly on my eyelid, so I don't have to trim it or anything, which is a first for me. Most lashes I do have to trim. They're also very lightweight. I don't really feel them and they don't irritate my eyes. So I don't think that the House of Lashes Classic collection is worth the price. They feel very similar to Ardell or Eylure lashes, which you could purchase at the drugstore, which you can get for a more affordable price. For the price of one of these lashes, you could basically get a 4-pack of Ardell lashes, and they have very similar styles. The ends of the lashes have more of a blunt cut to them, so they don't look quite as natural and fluttery. I also feel like I won't be able to get as many wears from these lashes. I've worn the LITE collection multiple times, and I've worn the Classic lashes multiple times, and the Classic lashes definitely have more wear on them, and they're starting to fall apart after about 4 or 5 wears, whereas the LITE collection still looks pretty much brand new. I would say that my favorite of the ones that I've tried was definitely the Moncheris. I think they have a more complex and more layered look to them, but still the lashes have a blunt cut, so they don't look the most natural. You can tell that they're on the cheaper side, so you're better off investing in one of the more pricier lashes they offer, like the Premiums or the LITE collection, or just buying regular plain old Ardell or Eylure lashes. Especially since you have to order $35 worth of lashes in order to get free shipping. I just don't think it's really worth it. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this really short and sweet video I made. A lot of my videos are very rambly. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful and it helped save you some money. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I would love to have you around, and I'll see you for another video. Bye!